Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. Today we are going to start a new series with the name of connectors or les connecteurs in French. This is one of the important topics of French, and with the use of these connectors or with the appropriate use of these connectors can ameliorate the level of your French to next level. So I hope you will enjoy this series also. So let's get started. First one is A. You must have aware about A. A is a connector. And I forgot to mention, we are discussing only addition here. Only the connectors related to addition, right? And followed by a different type of connectors, right? So in this series or in this video, we are going to discuss only addition. A. And example, j'aime lire des romans classiques et des poèmes contemporains. I like to read classic novels and contemporary poems. J'aime lire des romans classiques et des poèmes contemporains. Clear? One more example. Il a préparé une salade et un plat de pâtes pour le dîner. Dinner, pasta. He prepared a salad and a pasta dish for dinner. Il a préparé une salade et un plat de pâtes pour le dîner. Let's move to next one, which is the plus, which for moreover or in addition. Moreover or in addition. Il n'est pas seulement intelligent. The plus, il est très travailleur, hardworking. He is not only intelligent, moreover, he is very hardworking. Il n'est pas seulement intelligent, the plus, il est très travailleur. Right? Ce restaurant propose des plats délicieux. The plus, le service est excellent. This restaurant offers delicious dishes. In addition, the service is excellent. Ce restaurant propose des plats délicieux. De plus, le service est excellent. Right? Let's move to the next one. En outre. Furthermore. So we are adding idea to one clause. Il a terminé ses devoirs à temps. En outre, il a aidé son frère à faire les siens. He has completed his homework on time. Furthermore, he helped his brother to do his homework. Il a terminé ses devoirs à temps. En outre, il a aidé son frère à faire les siens. One more example. L'avantage de ce programme sont nombreux. En outre, il est entièrement gratuit. The advantages of this program are numerous. Furthermore, it is completely free. Gratuit is free. Right? Les avantages de ce programme sont nombreux. En outre, il est entièrement gratuit. Aussi, also, il adore la musique classique. Aussi, il écoute souvent du jazz. He likes classical music. Also, he listens often jazz. Jazz, a type of music, right? Il adore la musique classique. Aussi, il écoute souvent du jazz. One more example. Elle est une excellente pianiste. Aussi, elle excelle également en chant, singing. She is an excellent pianist. Also, she excels. She excels in singing. Elle est une excellente pianiste. Aussi, elle excelle également en chant. Then, the même, which is likewise. Il est très talentueux. Il est très talentueux en mathématiques, de même que son frère. He is very talented in mathematics, likewise his brother. Il est très talentueux en mathématiques, de même que son frère. One more example. Elle est très généreuse, de même que sa sœur Anne. Elder. Anne is elder and the même, likewise. She is very generous, likewise her elder sister. Elle est très généreuse, de même que sa sœur Anne. I hope these connectors are clear. This is the first part of the video. Furthermore, we are going to add many other connectors or different type of connectors in our upcoming videos. So keep on watching French Diaries. And in case you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.